Greetings everyone, we are from the team The Pixis and today we will talk about our project Argo 2. Our project is a free space laser communication system that maintains dynamic alignment in an off-grid system. The motive behind the project is to provide space rovers and astronauts with a system that will help them communicate with ease. We also aim to solve the problem of limited bandwidth in radio communication. Since the RF data transmission is essentially broadcast, the maximum density of users that can be accommodated is necessarily limited. This problem can be solved by using an alternative, which is the laser. Laser sources can provide extremely narrow beams with footprints of tens of centimeters at kilometer distances easily achievable. These highly narrow beams permit an almost unlimited number of local links to operate at the same carrier frequency without interfering with one another and yet requiring low transmission power levels to achieve good signal to noise. Our prototype provides a laser communication system with transceivers that can be foldable and installed in the space shuttle and easily aligned and will remain aligned with the user. Our prototype consists of a transceiver that includes a beacon laser, a signal laser, a special telescope system, a tracker, and a high speed detector. The optical system images the telescope pupil onto a tracking mirror which pivots and aligns itself. The received beacon beam is reflected from the tracking mirror and focused on a CCD array that monitors the location of the remote beacon source and provides feedback to the tracking mirror. Based on this feedback, the tracking mirror tips and tilts as necessary to maintain the received beacon beam on a predetermined position of the CCD array while simultaneously directing the received signal beam through a small aperture to the high-speed signal detector. The function of the tracking fold mirror can be accomplished by using movable mirrors and powered lenses with the prime goal of countering the effects of motion and phase offset caused by atmospheric turbulence, local vibrations, and other alignment disturbances. Our prototype permits communication at high data rates of up to 2.5 gigabits per second at ranges over 6 miles, which allows for the data accumulated by the user or the rover to be backed up at the space shuttle in an instant. If alignment is disrupted for any reason, the system automatically realigns itself as soon as the cause is removed. Some of the benefits of our project include a laser based telecommunication system which can be installed and aligned easily and efficiently, and it will remain aligned for extended periods of operation. It can be operated over distances ranging from hundreds of meters to greater than 10 kilometers. It also offers communication speeds over gigabits per second and with high link reliability in the face of local perturbations and atmospheric path turbulence. With this, we conclude our project. Thank you for taking out time to watch the video and see you next time.